docs la வந்து have you done up to this thing?
Yes.
Link பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Link பண்ணேன்.
Okay, okay. Next, what you want to do is you can create the doc system. Okay? Create the doc systems according to the systems given here. For example, இப்போ இங்கே supplier இருக்கு, supplierக்கு ஒரு system create பண்ணோம். Return air, அப்புறம் exhaust air. I think you can understand the systems and all.
Yes.
Okay. Outside air இருக்கு, அதாவது pressure இருக்கு. அப்போ doc system create பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் create a routing preference. General routing preference create பண்ணுங்க. Okay. I will do a small area. Okay. Rest okay. You can do it. We will see this one, this area, right?
Okay.
இதுக்கு இங்கே வந்து and 2 diffusers இருக்கு. நம்ம equipment இங்கே இருக்கு. Okay. Dock size கொடுத்திருக்கு. Easy project தான். Okay. So we will do one thing. We will in the 2D file, the linked file control பண்றதுக்கு either you can go to VG. Okay. இங்கே imported categories ஒரு tab இருக்கு. இதுதான் நம்ம லிங்க் பண்ண drawing. Okay. We can control this one. Yes, CAD drawing. So if you want to uncheck it, you can control visibility. Okay.
Okay.
இப்போ அந்த CAD drawing வந்து half load போடணும்னா just இங்க கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. half load. Okay. half load. Okay. அதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ if you want to reload for example, if you're doing AutoCAD, you can show the different path. If you can reload it if you make any changes in the particular axis, right? So if you want to control or manage the links, just go to manage links. Get CAD format இருக்கும். இதுதான் நம்ம link பண்ண drawing. Okay. If you want to reload it, you can reload it. If you want to change the path, you can take this one, reload from. If you want to unload it, unload the file, just pick unload and pick okay. Download பண்ணலாம். Okay. If you want a new link, either you can add from this point also, or else you can use directly from insert Revit link. Okay. In the option இங்கேயும் எடுத்துடலாம். Revit link just right click பண்ணா manage links. Same option. இதான் easy. Okay. இங்கே just right click பண்ணுங்க manage links CAD format. Okay. Okay. அப்புறம் நமக்கு ஒரு diffuser schedule இருக்கு. இது வந்து diffuser B. அந்த IFC drawing பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can find schedule for diffusers. Just take this. இதான் நம்ம schedule. Okay. Return a diffuser schedule, supply a diffuser schedules. Okay. Adjacent size இதில் கொடுத்திருக்கு. Mark ABC. Okay. வந்து இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். Mark B. அப்போ அதோட size வந்து next size வந்து 375 by 375, module size வந்து 600 by 600. அப்போ ஒரு ஃபேமிலி நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ணோம். ஓகே. do one thing. அப்புறம் இந்த CAD ஃபைல் எப்போதுமே பின் செய்யுங்க. அப்புறம் இந்த ஆப்ஷன் இதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ செலக்ஷன் வராது. ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் we will place the diffuser. ஓகே. அப்போ சிஸ்டம் எடுக்குங்க. ஏர் டெர்மினல். இது டிஃபால்ட் டெர்மினல். ஓகே. நான் ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு ஃபேமிலி லைப்ரரி கொடுத்துருக்கு. எடுக்குங்க. Families supply square diffuser. Okay, just இது ரெண்டுமே லோட் பண்ணலாம். இதுல அந்த supply diffuser எடுக்குங்க. நிறைய diffusers இருக்குங்க. சும்மா டூப்ளிகேட் பண்றது. Okay, just you can take any of the diffuser and you can edit type it, duplicate it. Okay, and I am creating the name type B. What is the size? What is the particular size? 375 by 375, 600 by 600. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay. So they give the two parameters. Diffuser nominal diameter, diffuser duct diameter. Do one thing. Okay. Sorry. You can, for the time being, you can place the default family. On the family, create the default family place for the time being.
Okay.
System, a terminal. There is one confusion with this family. We have to create some parameters. Okay, okay, no problem. So just in the family. Okay, this one you can take this one, edit type, duplicate, and just create the name type A, not type A, type B, right? The dimensions, corresponding dimensions inga type pannunga. Duct width on the 375. Okay, then duct width, diffuser width on the 600. That is face width on the 600, right? Just okay, correct in the position of place. Okay. Okay. You can control this area. If you don't want to, don't want this area arrows, just pick this one. The arrows control. Just to the section. Just a section. Create a section. Go to view. You can find the ceiling height. Okay. Either you can align this one. I think I have told the last class.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And okay. See, I have in section you can see the diffuser, but in plan view, when I've changed the offset of that particular diffuser, you are not able to see it. This is because we have an option called view range here. Can you see it?
Okay.
Okay, there is an option called view range here. I will just edit it. Okay, just consider you have two planes, top plane and bottom plane, right? The bottom plane value is 0 and the top plane value is 2300. The thing is, you can see only the devices placed between these ranges.
Okay, up to 2300.
Yes, that's it. Actually, we have placed the diffuser. What we will just check the height, right? This is around 2900. Okay. Actually, in plan we want to see up to this one. Actually, I haven't linked the structural file. I'll do one thing. I will link the structural file also. Okay, you have to link both the files, right? So you can see the slab, right? This is the slab bottom slab. Okay, so from this level up to soffit, this 4100. So this should be the view range. Got me? Okay, so I'll do one thing. I will go to plan view range. I'll edit this one and I will change this value to 4100. Right? Just you can see the object right now. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I will just copy this one. Next thing is we want to place the equipment. Got it?
Yes.
In order to place the equipment, there is an option called mechanical equipment. Through mechanical equipment, we can load all the mechanical devices, like mechanical equipment, like whether like FCU, exhaust fan, chillers, everything. Okay, it all comes under this category. It all comes under mechanical category, right? So just pick mechanical equipment, load family. You can either load this one. Okay, just FCU, open. So this is the FCU. When you pick space bar, you can rotate the equipment, right? You can rotate it. Right? Got me? For the time being, you can use the default one. I can place here. Okay, then pick the equipment and provide the offset height. It should be above the ceiling, right? So just I'm just typing an offset level like 3200. I'll do one thing. I will just create a 3D view. Select and pick a 3D view. Put fine here and make it shaded. You can find the equipment here, right?
Okay.
There's a box around here. Okay, this is called scope box. Okay, anyway, I will teach it afterwards. Right now, you do one thing. Just go to VG, annotation categories. Just hide that scope box right now. Okay, we will study this while doing annotation and all. Okay, just hide the option. Okay, double click it so you can find the FCU and everything. Yeah. Right. Okay, I will. Okay, just I'm picking this one and controlling this front view. Okay, so you can get the front view like this. Okay, I'm going to control this section box up to the bottom of slab. Okay, the next thing is I want to create I want to provide some canvas connections here. Okay, there is a problem with this family. Just pick this family. You can see that the mouthpiece is beyond the FCU height. Okay, that is a family issue. Just pick the family and edit type it and do one thing. In type name, you want to type this particular type name, FCU GSE4. Okay, so just pick the family, edit type it, duplicate it, FCU GSE04, and these are the corresponding parameters. You can edit this one. If you want to change the height of this particular FCU, there is a parameter called H. Right now its height is 233. Actually, I'm giving it like 400. Okay. Now it's okay. Fine. Okay. Next, you want to create a canvas. You want to fix a canvas, right? After all these, you will find canvas, right? So I want to fix a canvas. Provide a canvas. For that, I'm picking duct fitting, load family. In the given list, you can find the canvas. Okay. Rectangular flexible canvas. Just open it. Okay. This is the canvas. Just place it here. What happened? Sorry, some issue with this family. Yeah. This is fine. Okay. Make sure that you have provide the detail level fine and this is wireframe. Okay. And you can control the canvas length. Just pick the canvas and you can control the canvas length. Okay. I will provide here as 100 mm. Get me? And just pick the canvas. When you pick here, you can create the duct or select the canvas, right click, draw duct. You can create the draw duct. Get me? Got me? And you know the size of the duct is 400 by 200. Just pick the duct, change the value as 400 by 200, or you can split here and select the duct. You can change the duct size as 400 by 200. Okay. Okay, you can delete this thing and you can join this thing. Okay. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. This is 400 by 200. Okay. I mean, can go up to here. I haven't created any filters right now. You have to create it. Okay. And in order to join this one, just select the duct, connect into, just pick the line. 200 by 200. Just align this one, this one. Select the duct, connect into, just pick the duct. Select terminal, connect into, just pick it. And you can encap this one. Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Just I want to complete the duct routing. Just try to complete the duct routing. I think you know how to create a filter. You know how to create a duct routing preferences. You know how to create the duct systems.
Yes.
So can you just start this one? Just do a small area. That's it.
Okay.
And hope I know you all are aware about the services.
Yes.
Right. So try to do this one.
Okay.
For example, if you are here, it is type A diffuser. Okay. Just copy this one. And you can duplicate it. Select it and duplicate it. And type the value, type A. And just type the corresponding values here.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any doubt, just put me a message. I will come right now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If you have the doubt, call pannunga, message pannunga. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.